Welcome to Dinar Community, where clarity meets truth in the world of currency revaluation. Today's update isn't fueled by hearsay, anonymous posts, or unverified hype. This isn't another rumor echoing through Telegram threads or a whisper in the wind of speculation. What you're about to hear is the real deal, official, global, and historic. If you've been quietly holding on to Iraqi dinar, whether you told no one or shared your vision with others, this moment is for you. Your patience and belief have led to a monumental breakthrough. This isn't speculation, it's confirmation. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar has officially been announced. It's not a prediction. It's not a possibility. It's now a matter of public record, backed by concrete policies and global validation. The facts are in. The new official exchange rate is $6.20 for every single Iraqi dinar. This announcement didn't come from a fringe blog or unconfirmed screenshot. It came directly from Iraq's top financial leadership and was delivered through formal channels. The clarity is absolute. No hedging, no delays, no gray area. This is the largest financial recalibration Iraq has ever undertaken, and perhaps the most transformative monetary shift for any post-conflict nation in recent history. This is more than numbers on a screen. It's a declaration. Iraq is no longer rebuilding, it is reborn and ready to lead. This revaluation is the product of years of intentional economic strategy, political will, and technical preparation. For those who had hoped for a 50 cents or $2 valuation, this $6.20 figure shatters all previous assumptions. Financial institutions are stunned. Currency trading platforms are buzzing. Exchange counters around the globe are flooded as dinar holders find themselves suddenly holding assets worth exponentially more than before. And within Iraq, the mood has transformed. The anticipation that simmered for years has boiled over into national celebration. In a historic televised address, Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani stood beside Iraq's central bank officials and finance ministry leaders and spoke not just to the nation, but to the world. He called the revaluation a victory for Iraqi sovereignty and dignity, a major step toward global reintegration and national pride. This isn't merely a change in figures, it's a deeply emotional turning point. Al-Sudani acknowledged the tireless work of economists, policy experts, religious leaders, and community members who laid the groundwork for this breakthrough. His message was direct. Iraq's currency is no longer a relic of instability, it is now a symbol of progress, resilience, and ambition. Across Iraq, cities erupted in celebration. Fireworks lit up the night sky. Families embraced, many in disbelief. On social media, the reactions have been deeply moving, from investors in tears to Iraqis expressing newfound hope. Globally, investors who clung to their dinar through ridicule and doubt are witnessing their faith rewarded in historic fashion. Yet even amid the joy, experts are urging calm and caution. Yes, this is a moment of triumph. But with great gains come great responsibilities. This is not the time for rash decisions. Financial advisors worldwide are emphasizing the importance of strategy, discipline, and legal compliance. Whether you're planning to convert, reinvest, or hold your dinar, here's what you need to know. Understand banking protocols. Be prepared to provide proof of dinar purchase and valid government-issued ID. Expect taxes. Capital gains or income taxes may apply based on your country of residence. Plan ahead. Many banks are experiencing backlogs and longer wait times. Schedule appointments and get your documents in order. Financial institutions in North America, Europe, and the Middle East are adjusting quickly. While some variance may occur based on transaction fees or regional systems, the global reality is aligning behind the $6.20 rate. Some banks are asking for comprehensive documentation for large conversions, including past financial statements. Governments and financial regulators in the US, EU, and Gulf nations are working to create unified guidelines to handle this influx of activity. Before you act, connect with a qualified financial advisor or private banker. Adding to this already unprecedented shift, Iraq's central bank has also launched a new central bank digital currency, the digital dinar. This blockchain-powered system is designed to reduce fraud, speed up transactions, and open up Iraq's economy to new levels of transparency and international trade. The traditional physical dinar will remain valid, but this move toward digital currency signals Iraq's leap into the modern financial age. Guidance for setting up digital wallets and using the new system is expected in the days ahead. International responses have varied. The US has expressed cautious optimism. European and Gulf nations have praised Iraq's bold new direction. Iran, notably, has voiced criticism, a reaction seen by many as further evidence of Iraq's growing independence from its neighbors' influence. But the loudest response of all is coming from ordinary people. TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, all flooded with videos and personal stories. Emotional testimonials, real joy, real vindication. And while the financial news is historic, it's the human reaction that speaks volumes. For many, this is not just a payday. It's justice. It's closure. It's a new beginning. But let's be clear, this is just the start. Iraq's central bank will release more details soon on digital wallet integration, tax reporting, and continued coordination with global institutions like the IMF and World Bank. Now is the time to think long-term. Don't squander this opportunity on impulse. Don't chase the next rumor or fall for false promises of special rates or insider deals. Stick to official channels. Stay grounded in facts. Follow the Central Bank of Iraq. Use trusted platforms like Iraqi Dinar Info. Be wary of scams that prey on emotional moments like this one. Wealth gained suddenly can vanish just as quickly. Protect it. Plan for it. Use legal tools like trusts and structured investment vehicles. Diversify your holdings and avoid extravagant spending early on. This is your moment, but more importantly, this is your opportunity to build something that lasts. The real story isn't just about becoming rich. It's about turning that wealth into lasting impact, for yourself, your family, and possibly your community. Legacy is greater than lifestyle. The world has watched the Iraqi dinar for decades. Mocked by some, doubted by many. And now, in June 2025, history has flipped the script. Iraq has arrived, and for those who believed, endured, and waited, the reward is more than financial. It's transformational. This is a moment to celebrate, but also to plan wisely. Stay connected to Dinar Community. Stay alert, stay informed, because what comes next will define more than your portfolio, it could define your legacy. Subscribe and follow us as this historic chapter unfolds through 2025 and beyond. Like and subscribe for more videos.